Kranti Talwar. Corona has taught all of us a very hard lesson as to how important is immunity to us. Immunity which was lost or forgotten behind a busy and a trendy lifestyle and a chase behind anything but the basics. For a proper immunity, one must obey the following guidelines. A healthy and a nutritious diet which is rich in fresh vegetables, fruits and nuts, and importantly a willingness to eat all of it. A proper exercise routine which involves a good weight management, proper rest routine, no smoking, no drinking, and if at all you do it in moderation, and minimal or no stress. On the backdrop of a good immunity, today's recipe is a very simple recipe of gawar aloo or stir fry cluster beans with potatoes. Coming to the benefits of gawar or cluster beans, it is excellent for diabetes because of its low glycemic index and high fiber content. It helps to maintain your weight. It reduces your blood cholesterol, reduces hypertension, thereby reducing any heart disorders. It is great source of folate and hence very good for pregnant ladies. Gawar also has reasonable amount of proteins and phosphorus and calcium, which is excellent for your bone health. Coming to the benefits of potatoes, they are rich source of vitamin C and thereby keep your immunity intact. They provide good collagen for a good skin health. They have great amounts of zinc, manganese and phosphorus, which is good for the development of your bones. They have a nutrient called as choline, which keeps the covering of your cell membranes intact and also helps in early development of your brain. So now that we know the benefits of both of these vegetables, let us combine these and make an excellent dish. And for those with diabetes, you can keep the potatoes on the side and let your family have it. So let's not waste time and let's get cooking.
For this we need chopped veggies that include 1 potato, 250 grams of gawar or cluster beans, 6 to 7 pods of garlic and 2 green chilies. In the spices we need 1/4 teaspoon each of jeera and haldi, 1 heaped teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. In a heated pan, add about 1.5 teaspoons of oil and some cumin seeds or jeera. Slightly brown the jeera or the cumin seeds. Now add chopped garlic. Add a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Now add some turmeric and some chili powder. Saute this well. Now add chopped green chilies. Add the chopped gawar or the cluster beans and the chopped potatoes. Mix this well. Add some white salt and some black salt as per taste. Some coriander powder. Mix this well. This is an extremely healthy and a quick stir fry, and the cooking time will depend upon the tenderness of cluster beans and potatoes. Cover and cook this for about 15 minutes. You may serve this with either roti or fulka. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and kindly hit the like button if you like this video.